In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to change the slow motion speed on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So let's open the camera and let's go to more in order to find our slow motion mode. And usually if there is an option to change the speed of slow motion, it is accessible in the top right corner or in the camera options, which is usually indicated with the frame rate. However, in this case, there is no option to do so, it seems. We cannot even zoom in or zoom out. So if you start recording a slow motion video, then you just record the slow motion video and that's about it. We can also try to, for example, edit the slow motion video to see if it is possible to adjust the slow motion. And it is possible. As you can see over here, we can adjust it pretty easily. We have this range and we can tap here in order to change the slow motion effect to be slower or faster. However, as you can see, it is possible to adjust that only when the slow motion video is recorded. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.